Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the problem kill virus of marathon challenge August, right? So let us first read the question. So the question says, while making a vaccine for COVID-19, the scientists generated a new virus by mistake and it is more dangerous than the coronavirus, right? So they plan to kill the virus in the lab where they generated the virus by mistake to avoid its spread. The only way to kill the virus is by electric rod of very high voltage. Since very high voltage is passing through the electric rod, it cuts off some amount of voltage after every X minutes to avoid any type of accident, right? So that scientists again maximize the voltage intensity of the electric rod after every Y minute. The electric rod gets very high voltage and low voltage instantly. It is known that to kill the virus, scientists have to give k minutes of very high voltage or 2k minutes of low voltage. They want to find how much time they have to give the electric shock to kill the virus by assuming that virus is getting a very high voltage and low voltage evenly, right? uh, like the question says, the power of the rod will get reduced after every x minutes, right? And after and in the interval of y minutes, scientists will come into the lab and see if the intensity of rod is reduced, then they will increase its intensity, otherwise they will left it as it is, right? So to kill the virus properly, scientists have to give k minutes of very high voltage or 2k minutes of low voltage, right? They want to find the minimum time to kill the virus, right? So let us first read the input format. So the input format says the single line contains three space separated integers x, y, and k, and the output format says the print a single number, the total time to kill the virus in minutes. Print 8 digits after the decimal, right? So it can be in decimal. The time can be in decimal, right? And the constant says x, y, and k are in between 1 to 10 to the power 10, right? Uh, so yeah, so this is a question. So let us first. So to approach this question, what we can do is we can find the interval for which the rod is in on mode and in off mode. What is meant by on mode? On mode means we are giving the high intensity, right? That is, rod is giving the high intensity power, and off mode means the power has been reduced, right? Yeah, with some amount, right? So let's suppose that the rod is on. A rod was in on mode for 4 minutes, and after the 4 minute, the power of the rod was reduced, right? And the interval of every 10 minutes, scientists will come into the lab and see if the rod's intensity has been reduced, then they will increase its intensity, right? So we can see here up to fourth minute, we can, if you talk about in minutes, right? So up to fourth minute, the rod will be in on mode, right? And since the scientists will come into the lab on the 10th minute, for the from 5 to 10, right, the rod will be giving low power, right? That the power of rod will be reduced from 5th minute to 10th minute, right? So if you try to find the on mode and the off mode, so it is nothing but on mode is nothing but the interval for which the for after which the rod's power has been reduced, right? So this is nothing but the on mode, and for the off mode we can find that y minus x percentile y, right? As we can see here, the off mode is nothing but 6, right? So if we put here the values of x and y, we can see here 10 minus 4 percentile 10, it is nothing but 6, right? So now we have found the on mode and off mode, right? So let us move on to the next slide. So yeah, so if we work on this logic, so we can talk about interval, right? So what is interval? Interval will consist of on mode and off mode both, right? So one interval will consist of on mode plus off mode, right? So how much virus we can kill in one interval? I'm saying like because it doesn't mean that how much virus we have killed in this interval. It means that how much time we have invested to kill the virus in this interval, right? Since the on mode was on and the off mode was off, right? So how much time we take to, how much time we are going to invest in this interval? It is nothing but on plus off by 2. We are trying to keep that keep in mind that we are killing the virus. The virus will be killed if we give the power k minutes independently and 2k minutes independently if it is in low mode, right? So for that only the time we are going to invest is nothing but on plus off by 2, right? So since we have to kill the virus in k minutes, if we talk about in only on mode, let's suppose we are, since we have reduced it by 2, so we are here, we are talking only in on mode, right? So if we talk about in on mode, that is in high mode, how much time, how much number of interval we will need k by, that is the total time for the on mode, by this on plus off by 2 amount, right? There will be obviously some remaining part left, right? What will that be? That will nothing but k minus number of intervals into on plus off by 2, right? So what will be our result? That is what will be our answers, right? So the answer will be nothing but number of intervals into the time we are going to invest in one interval. How much time we are going to invest in one interval? It is nothing but on plus off, right? The virus is the part of the time up to which we give the high voltage is on plus off by 2, right? But the time we are going to invest for that is the on plus off, right? Yes, so the result will be nothing but number of intervals into the interval, right? And there will be obviously some remaining part. So what if remaining is less than on? If remaining is less than on, it means that you are in on mode, right? So you just have to add that time to the answer, right? So that is why we are only adding that time. And otherwise, if remaining is greater than on, then what we will do? There will be some on mode part and there will be some off mode part, right? So for the on mode part, we will add it as it is. So there will be some remaining time, right? So what will be that remaining time? It will be nothing but remaining minus on, right? For that, how much time we are going to invest? Double of that time, right? Because we know if we are in low mode, we for killing the virus, we have to give the double amount of time, right? Yeah. So we have got our answer, right? So we have got our answer finally. Now let us work some on examples, right? To understand our logic. So for the given example that is given in the test case, that is x equal to 4, y equal to 2 and k equal to 7. Here we can see the rod is getting reduced, the power of the rod is getting reduced after every 4 minutes, right? And scientists are visiting the lab after every 2 minutes, right? So when will the scientist will come? They will see that rod is in on mode, right? So they don't have to do anything, right? Because why it is happening so? Because x percentile y equal to 0, right? That means this interval, that is the on mode interval, is divided by the time, the interval of the interval that the scientists visit the lab, right? So that is why for this the answer will be only the k, right? Because the rod is giving only a high voltage, right? So the answer will be nothing but the time to kill the virus, right? So if we look at this example, that is x equal to 3, y equal to 2 and k equal to 6. Here we have to see the on mode and off mode, right? So we can see clearly up to 3 minutes the virus will get the on mode power, right? The high mode power, and after the 3th minute it will get reduced, right? And when the scientists will come, they will come on 2nd minute, right? And on the 2th minute, and they will see that the virus is getting the high voltage, right? So they will do nothing and they will go back, right? So next, when will they come? They will come on the 4th minute, right? So 4th minute they will come and they see that the virus is getting the low power, right? Because on the 3th minute, after the 3th minute, the virus is getting the low voltage, right? So on the 4th minute they will see that the virus is getting the low voltage, so they will increase its voltage, right? So only 1 minute, that is the 4th minute, the virus will in off mode, right? Means the rod is in off mode, right? And for 3 minutes it is in on mode, right? So here we are finding the on mode, that is 3, and the off mode, that is 1, right? We can put the values in this formula, y minus x percentile y. So it will be 2 minus 3 percentile 2, that is 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1, right? How much time one interval consists of? It is on plus off, that is 3 plus 1, 4 minute. So virus killed in one interval, it means that how much time you are going to invest in this interval to kill the virus, right? It is nothing but on plus off by 2, like 3.5 time, 3.5 minutes, right? So in the time of 4 interval, the virus is killed. Since we need total 6 minutes of time, if you talk about the only the on mode, so in one interval we are giving 3.5 minute for that, right? So how many interval we are needed for that? It will be nothing but k by 1 plus off by 2, right? So 6 by 3.5, it is nothing but 1 if we talk about in integer, right? So since we are finding the numbers, so we will only talk about integers, right? So it will be nothing but 6 by 3.5, that is 1, right? And there will be obviously some remaining parts also. So what is the remaining part? So remaining part is nothing but k minus number of intervals into on plus off by 2, right? That is 6 minus 1 into 3.5, that is equal to 2.5, right? So 2.5 time is remaining, right? So for the 2.5 time, if you see here, 2.5 time is less than the on mode, right? So whereas so the rod will be in on mode, right? So it will be giving that, so we need only 2.5 minutes of time to kill the virus after that, right? So the time needed to kill the virus properly will be total number of intervals into intervals plus remaining. Why only plus remaining? Because remaining is less than on, right? So 1 into 4 plus 2.5, this is equal to 6.5, right? So that was, I think, the logic, and we have pretty much satisfied with the examples that we can see that our logic is working on. So let us see the codes for this, right? So here I am taking the inputs of x, y and k, and here I am checking that if x percentile y equal to 0, that is, we have seen that the first test case which is given in the question, right, in the problem statement. So here we can see that for that we will just need the k minutes, right? So we will put that as our answer. Otherwise we'll find the on mode and the off mode, and we will get the interval, that is on plus off, and how much time the interval, how much work we are doing in that interval, that is how much time we are going to invest for that interval is on plus off by 2, right? For to kill the virus. And it is nothing but the number of intervals, that is k by interval work, right? And the remaining thing is remaining time will be k minus num into interval work, right? So the final answer will be this, and plus something also. So if the remaining part is less than on mode, then we'll just add the on mode. Otherwise we have to add the on mode we have to add the on mode and the remaining minus on, right? And since we are here we are in off mode, so we have to invest double of that time, right? So that is why we are multiplying 2 with that, right? And now finally we are printing our answers, right? So here we can here we will run the test case that is given in the problem statement. It is 4 to 7, right? So yeah, as you can see, it is coming as 7, right? If we see, that is this one, that is 3 to 6 that we have worked on in this test case. The answer for this will be 6.5, right? Now let's submit this and check whether it is correct or not. So here, as we can see, the solution is accepted, right? So that was all about the question and the solution. There can be more than one approach for this question. We can also use binary search for that. That is, we will give the time that if we invest that amount of time, whether the virus will be get killed or not, right? So that can be one another approach also. So I hope you have understood the question and the solution properly. Thank you.